Now, it's all systems go for the JAAA Puma National Junior Senior Athletics Championship starting on Thursday at the National Stadium. In our final preview this evening, we speak with the chairman of the organizing committee, Ludlow Watts.
Athletes will be using the 4-day championships to qualify for this summer's Commonwealth Games, the Pan Am Senior Championships, the CAC Games, the NACAC Under-18 and Under-23 Championships, and the World Under-20 Championships. Thursday's opening day gets underway at 9 a.m. with qualifying action for the 100 meters being the highlight among the seniors, where 3 finals are slated, while 5 finals are listed for the juniors. Ludlow Watts is chairman of the organizing committee.
In terms of officiating, in terms of punctuality, and in terms of ensuring that persons get a good event. In other words, it will be customer friendly. The fan base should be excited, and I know that the world is looking because many countries have been speaking about the fact that 11 Jamaican ladies have run under 11 seconds, and they know that we will always have a good championships.
Despite the absence of a few big-name athletes, Watts is expecting the quality of performances to remain very high.
We have lost just a few of the established well-knowns who are not here. So we have majority, just nearly everybody except maybe about 2 men and 2 women. So we have the quality in terms of, and the thing is, you know that our athletes are very competitive. Some of them want to get in Diamond League, some want to get to Commonwealth Games, and some of the juniors are eyeing hopes of getting into the Commonwealth Games as well. So the standard will be good, the commission will be good, so I don't think we'll have any difficulty in terms of the quality of the athletes.
Live and exclusive coverage of the championships can be seen on TVJ, TVJ-SN and OneSpotMedia.com with radio coverage on Fame 95 FM. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.